Hello, beautiful people. Right now we are with Kalybos. Is he now the only man with one with?
Now we're the only boss with one there.
Okay, boss. Boss back up there.
Back up there.
Yes. Kalybos, your videos are here to penetrate the Nigerian market. What is going on?
Right now we're targeting the Nigerian market as well. We don't want it to just remain in Ghana. So we are trying our best to come up with a movie as well, and we've already started shooting it. It's called Kalybos In China.
Hey, Kalybos In China coming soon. Well, is that the reason why? Because for some time now we are not seeing your videos on YouTube.
Yeah, exactly.
What is really going on? Are you saying it's because of this movie?
Exactly, it's because of this movie. We had to travel to China to shoot. Yes, so
levels don't change.
Levels don't change. So I've not been around for some time now, but we're back in Ghana and we're doing the Ghana shoots. Yes. So
are you doing it with the same Kofas Media?
Yes. The Kofas Media is the media's the production house responsible for the movie. So we're still doing it with our Patri, and this time we're incorporating with known actors and actresses in the Ghanaian film industry, the likes of John Dumelo, Nikki Samonas, Krista Boeke, and a whole lot. So we're just fusing and to come out my first movie as well.
Oh wow, when do you think this movie will come out?
Latest by March. By March.
Something big is coming to Ghana.
Something big is coming to Ghana. It's a whole different thing. Kalybos as a comedian, a comic actor. But this time around we're fusing it with romantic. So like to be a romantic comedy movie kind of thing. So it's really packed with laughter, which I will tell you now.
But when you say romantic thing, all this while you've been going after Patri. Yeah. This time around, did you get her?
This time around, I messed up big time. I messed up big time, and it's like from pine to fire.
Seriously?
I ended up in China and it was bad, big trouble for me. But it's all good, it got a lot of educative measures in it, because most people travel to find greener pastures. I travel to find greener pasture and come and impress someone, but that greener pasture never happened.
Thank you very much, Kalybos, for your time. We wish you all the best in your upcoming movie.
Thank you.
All right.
His Highness.
Yeah, it's your boy Energy. MIC, go see the girl. If you do for me, I'll do for you. Girl, if you do for me, I'll do for you. Girl, if you do for me, I'll do for you. Girl, if you do for me, I'll do for you. Girl, you just scatter my head. You they make me go insane. After this first round, girl, I go want to go again. Girl, you too fine with your body.